we are proud to introduce today the one who fully embodies this ambition, the A110 R Ultime. It is the ultimate version of the A110 in ICE version, but believe me, it's not the end of this fabulous adventure. This new vehicle, produced in only 110 units, is a true pinnacle of performance, engineering, and exhilarating driving experience, with a 1.8-liter engine producing up to 345 horsepower, torque of 420 Nm, 0 to 100 in less than 3.8 seconds, and 160 kilos more downforce compared to the actual A110 R. A110 R Ultime is the sportiest car we've ever built, and it remains road legal. And to make the experience even more unique, A110 R Ultime is also a tailor-made vehicle with an extreme level of personalization. Each model will be very unique. With this vehicle, our brand takes a new step into a whole new dimension where performance combines with luxury.